Hey friends, I know why you're here. Your nail clippers are broken. You need to fix them. I'm going to show you how. Basically, you have 3 parts. You grab your pincher part. And you're going to want to locate the bottom of the pincher part. The top part is basically going to have a little, some kind of either an indentation there or maybe some little guides on either side. And your bottom part's probably going to be flat. So this is our bottom part. Take our little pin, drop it in there. Doesn't really matter which way the pin is. Usually I like that little hook to be facing back towards the other end. You take your little handle part, you slide that under there, and then release with your hand. So I like to put my thumb on there and push that, keep that pin up while we're doing that. And that should secure your clippers in place. And they'll work just fine again until next time they come off. So thanks for watching this short video. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time.